On a faraway shore, not unlike the seas of California, danger stalked the lazy afternoon, monstrous, heavy with the breath that drips with hunger. 5 beasts, hideous and foul, stood atop the hillside just outside of town. But soon enough, their hunger would drive them in. It had been 600 years since the town had endured the nightmares of a ravaging. And in that time they had grown fat from the wealth of the land, bathing in the rich lather of prosperity and peace, foregoing strength and vigilance for luxury and comfort. But on this day, this warm summer afternoon, when the light seems to rock all worry away into a rhythmic slumber, the town must decide to live or to die, to fight or to be devoured. Because something was coming, and it could not be stopped.